Hi friends, let's get started without delay. So first, what is reading mode? Reading mode is a Chrome feature that makes a page easier to read. It helps you focus on the main text, reduces distractions from images and videos, and opens the content in a side panel for a cleaner reading experience. Now let's activate it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Then, go to a page that has text, like an article or blog post. After that, click the three dots in the top right corner. Next, click More Tools. Then choose Reading Mode. Once you do that, Reading Mode opens in Chrome's side panel. Now let's talk about text size. Inside Reading Mode, you will see a toolbar. There, you can find the font size option. You can make the text smaller, make it bigger, or reset it back to the default size. This is useful if the text looks too small or if you want a more comfortable reading view. And now, color. In the same toolbar, you can also change the color theme. This helps you choose a reading style that feels better for your eyes. For example, some people prefer a lighter look, and some prefer a darker or softer theme while reading. So, in simple words, reading mode is a tool that cleans up the page, shows the main text in a clearer way, and gives you more control over how that text looks. And that's it. Like and subscribe for more tutorials.